Hello and welcome to Course 2 of the Instructional Designer Certificate Program. My name is Ann Musgrove and it will be my pleasure to learn with you over the next 4 weeks. Some of us know each other from the first course and some will be joining us that were not in the first course. This course is about curating and evaluating resources for faculty. We have a live session on Thursday, April 25th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. These are always recorded, so if you can't make it, that's fine. But of course, it's always nice to gather together at the same time whenever that's possible. So, this is the welcome page of the course. And I'd like to go over to the progress section. So this has everything that we're going to do on a weekly basis and everything there is to read and post to the discussion area. So you can see that in week 1 we'll be introducing each other and we'll talk about the major other assignments. This course starts off with social bookmarking, which is a place that you can keep all of your important web addresses, URLs, in one place. Then we're going to share those resources with each other. And in week 2, we're looking at open educational resources, a really hot topic right now. But, you know, some of them are good and some of them are bad. So we're going to look at the artifacts that other people have made so that we can either curate or we can use them as a starting place for something else we might like to do. Then we're going to organize our materials so we can share it with faculty. As always, we will be working with each other to try to refine things along the way. I look forward to another 4 weeks together, or a new 4 weeks together for some of you, and I will see you online.